Hey humans, what's up? So I'm thinking of starting something a little new. In a video that I created quite a while ago about Malta, I mentioned that it has a ton of history, and along with a ton of history comes many ghost stories. I thought it would be cool to kind of search on the internet and see what I find. Now I have a lot of ghost stories that come from my family and things that have happened within the family. But I thought it would be kind of fun to search the internet and see if I can find anything that sounds familiar. So to my surprise, just typing in ghost stories of Malta or typing in ghosts of Malta in the same sentence came up with a ton of articles and blog posts and websites that are dedicated to ghost stories and legends within Malta. So I'm going to read this one to you because I've actually heard something very similar to this type of story. This one is called Il Hares. Now that means the ghost in Maltese. In Maltese folklore, houses had a resident spirit that could take any form. It could be mischievous, beneficial, or downright nasty. If the Hares liked you, it could shower you with presents, but you could not tell anyone about the ghost or the source of the presents. Many stories describe ghosts that looked like Ottoman Turks or were spirits of Ottoman Turks. These particular ghosts were like the boogeymen for the children of the household. The children heard the Hares on the stairs, or sometimes it even entered their room and stood at the foot of their bed. Now, some of the stories specifically say that the ghost only came when the children's father was not home, and that the children could not tell their father about the ghost because then it would stop giving their mother valuable gifts. I've actually heard a similar story to this one in which had a lot of the very similar details. There was no father at home, gifts were given. If you tell anybody about this ghost, it gets vicious, attempts to hurt or push kids downstairs or even the mother figure in the house. I'm gonna put the link to this one in the description. There are two others. This was the last one on the page, so number 3. There are a ton of other ghost stories out there. If you're interested in this kind of stuff and would like to hear about more Maltese legends and myths and ghost stories, let me know and I'll make more videos about it. If you would like to hear some of the ghost stories I know from my family and things that they have experienced in Malta, let me know and I'll make more of those too. Thank you for watching. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Until next time, humans.